Today, I'm going to go over a common issue on some older Camrys. This is a 2001 model with no sunroof. We can see water pooling up on the driver's side well. The most common causes are usually the easiest to check first. Starting with the trunk seal, look for cracks and holes like you see here. The hinge and wiring harnesses tend to rub through over time. Clean any debris from the rain gutters, which may cause water to pool and make its way into the trunk. Another common cause of water intrusion are the taillights themselves. Either the lens or mounting gasket behind it has cracked. I actually resealed the left inner taillight with silicone when I first got the car. Less common, one of the seams could have split open, allowing water to spray in from underneath. In this car, the leak is coming from the pressure relief vent. To get to it, remove 3 clips and the taillight access cover. If you look carefully, the trail of dirty water seeps in from the lower left corner of the vent. The clips can also crack over time, making this entire assembly loose. On the right side, there is no vent, but there appears to be a previous patch job, a coincidental finding while poking around. You get better access to the vent by removing the rear bumper cover. Up top, remove 4 clips from the center. Remove the 10mm bolts from the sides. On the bottom, there are 3 clips. Don't be surprised if some are missing. They break easily but are also easy to replace. Finally, back inside, there are 3 more 10mm nuts on each side. You do not need to remove the taillights, and I actually recommend that you don't. You might end up breaking the old mounting gaskets behind them. I didn't notice for the longest time, but these vents allow for efficient cabin ventilation and air circulation. Finding the replacement gasket for this will be a challenge. Unfortunately, I used all my silicone when resealing the taillights, and only have gasket makers sitting around. Sometimes you just gotta make do with what you have. I used 2 different materials in case one fails. The gasket maker went on the outside, and the liquid nails inside. I also made a mess, so try to do clean work. Now, since I probably didn't do this by the book, I soak up the water in the well and let it sit through several rainstorms. That way you know if the repair worked before reinstalling all the nuts, bolts, and pieces back. For really big leaks, there is a rubber drain plug here. Instead of dealing with this hassle, some people simply drill a hole at the lowest point for drainage. No judgment. Do whatever is in your comfort level. I hope this helps someone out there today. Remember, you can do it. Be brave.